Nothing brings people together like a group picture. So in this short tutorial, we will learn how to create a Bitmoji class picture. To build a class picture, the first thing you want to do is you want to open Google Slides and then ask for a new slide. You want to make sure you name it so you can find it later. We're going to name it class picture. And then you can just erase all these things. In the share area of the Google slide, you want to make sure you do it shareable if you want people to build it with you. So you just change to people with the link, anyone with a link, and then we change it from viewer to editor. That means that anybody with the link will be able to do it. So now you want to make sure that it says anyone with a link can change it, and you copy the link. This is the link you can give to everybody so they can contribute to the picture. The next thing you do is, whether you do it together or separate, everybody needs to have the little Bitmoji extension, and then you would click, type pose, so you can get all the full body positions. And then whenever you find the one you want to include in the picture, you go ahead and include it. Notice that it's quite large, so you want to make sure that you trim it. So here is the crop image, and you go ahead and crop it all the way to the smallest. The reason you want to do that is so you can manipulate the image better. Once you have it cropped, you just click out of it, and now it's there. Now let's say it's somebody else's turn to add their Bitmoji. So they would as well go up here and decide on a pose that they want to add. Let's say it's this one, and they would go ahead and slide theirs. Now, as you can see, this one might be a little bigger, so you would have to size it. You would also would want to crop it just like we did the other one. So you can move them around the best possible way. Once you crop it, you want to click out of it. And now you can see that this person is right in front. But let's say that we want this person to be in the back. So you just go to Arrange and then Order and say Send to Back. And now this person is in front. So this is how you can arrange the people in here. You can, of course, have a white background, or you can have a nice background. So for that, you could just look for a background. Let's say we want to use Canyonlands. We would pick Images. Then we would go to Tools, User Rights to make sure we're not stealing anybody's work if we're not allowed. And now these are the pictures that we can use for a background or whatever we want. So let's say, oh, this is so tough. Let's say we want to use this one. We would just go ahead and copy it. Go back to our class picture. Paste it. Size it. And now since it's in front, we want to send it to the back. And now we have some floating girls, but we can absolutely rearrange them to make sure that we have them wherever it is that we want them. And that is how we would create our class picture.